going on, y'all? It's Mazda Garage coming at you today. We're doing rear shocks on a 2010 Mazda 3. And we already went ahead and removed one of the shocks. We're going to teach you something really quick before we do the second one. So a lot of videos that we've watched talk about going under here, taking your wheel well out, which you have to do. And there's two studs up here. They talk about removing the bolts off those two studs and your shock drops. So we're going to show you what the old shock looks like. So here's the old shock here. Well, guess what it has attached to this little bracket? You've got this little bolt on top. You have to take this out anyway. So if you drop this thing from the bottom, you still got to take this collar off and put this on the new shock. And to do that, you have to remove this bolt right here. So what we're going to do on the second one is we're not even going to take it off these here studs. We're just going to drop the shock out the middle. So once we figure out what size this is, we'll let you know. All right, so what we're going to do now, like we told you on the other side, instead of taking out those two 12mm bolts, we're going to go from the inside, go from the top. So there's like a little plastic tab. Looks just like that. It's on both sides.
Right there.
So we're going to go ahead and pull that out.
There's one back here. And one right there. I already pulled them out, guys.
All right, so we're going to pull that down. And now you can see there's the top of the shock. And that's just a 13mm, I believe. Is that correct?
Yep, 13 mil.
Yep, so you can go ahead and put that on and ratchet that out.
The new one's actually a, when you get the new one, it's actually a 12. The factory one's a 13. The aftermarket's a 12.
That's good to know. I don't know why they do that. But yeah, if you go ahead and unscrew that, you may have to put something on top, like a pair of pliers or vice grips to hold that top piece. If not, you can grab the body of the shock. Since the old one you're gonna be throwing in the trash anyway. Just grab the body of the shock like that, and you should easily be able to go ahead and unscrew that top bolt. And then the bottom one, like we said down here, I believe that was a 17mm. But we'll go back and verify that. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Once you unscrew that and take this bobbin out, this shock will just drop out. And you just slide the new one in.
Yep, 17.
Yep, slide the new one in, reverse the process, put the wheels back on and take it for a test drive.
And guys, if you can't get that top one with a plier, putting that bolt on, just throw your vice grips back on the new body at the bottom, kind of soft, to tighten that bolt up.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. So for more information, just follow us on Instagram at the Mechanics Garage. Like and subscribe here on YouTube. Tell your friends about us. Check us out on the next one.